Hello, welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. In this video, actually before I tell you about this video, I had created another video where I had told you how to install two versions of WhatsApp if you had multiple accounts, so you could switch between these apps to access your WhatsApp account if you had two phone numbers associated with a WhatsApp account. But there's a new feature where you can actually combine the two accounts into one WhatsApp app. In this video, I will show you how to do that. Take a look. Open WhatsApp on your phone and then click on the account menu. And once you click on the account menu, you will see another option which says add account. Click on add account. Now it's going to ask you for the phone number which is associated with the other account you have. So click on add account. So now you can type in the phone number of the other account you have. Once you type in the phone number, you can pick up whichever country that phone number is for and then enter the phone number. Once you enter the phone number, you will get a OTP. Enter that OTP or unique code, and once you do that, it automatically adds your account to the current app. So now you have both the accounts in your app. So, and also you can you want to enable the Google account and bring back all the backup of the other account. You can do that too. In my case, I don't need to do that. It's a brand new account I've not used, and you give a name to it, and then when you click next, so it's automatically adding your account to the current app. So the two accounts are in one app. You can switch between two accounts by clicking on the switch accounts option there. So once you click that, you're all set.